Ndewonu, ndị Igbo na-amasị. Greetings to you, lovers of Igbo. Unu abịala n'ihe ọmụmụ nke taa. You're welcome to today's lesson. Ka anyị mụọ Igbo. Let's learn Igbo. Okay, today, so we're going to continue with learning the pronunciation of the letters of the Igbo alphabet. Now, if you've not watched our previous videos, kindly do so. The letters of the Igbo alphabet are 36 in number, and we've learned how to pronounce the first 18 in our last video. And so today's lesson, we want to continue. We want to learn how to pronounce the rest of the letters of the Igbo alphabet. And so today, we'll be learning letters, how to pronounce letters M to letter Z. So, let's go. All right, the first letter we have is letter M. M. Now, M is a unique sound in Igbo. It's actually M and N, in the sense that in some contexts they function as consonants. In some contexts they function as syllabic nasals. We're going to do a video on that later, but I want to explain so that you understand. And so in those two contexts, they are pronounced differently. And so the first one, M as a consonant, is pronounced as M, as in the English word amount. Amount, amount. All right, we have it in Igbo words like ama, witness. Onyama is a witness. Iwama is to witness to something. So ama, witness. We also have it in the Igbo word like ume, breath. Ume, breath. Then M as a syllabic nasal is pronounced as is a nasal sound. It comes out from the nose. And you have it in the English word nymph. Nymph, the M sound. Nymph. So we have it in Igbo words like mbe, tortoise. We also have it in a word like mkpuru, seed. Did you see that? Did you notice the difference? The first one is pronounced as ma with your mouth. It's a bilabial sound. I'm going advanced. The second one is pronounced with my lips closed as a nasal sound, so it comes out from the nose. So the first one is ba, ma, ama. The second one is be. All right, take note of that. Right, it is the same with the next letter, N. N is also pronounced as a consonant, as in a word like new, the English word new, English word new. So we have it in Igbo words like ano, for. You also have it in Igbo word like ona. Ona is a three-leaf yam. It's a species of yam that we have in Nigeria here. Ona, three-leaf yam. All right, then you have letter N as a syllabic nasal. It's pronounced as sound, as in the English word turn around. The N as turn. So we have it in Igbo words like ngaji, spoon, ngaji. You also have it in Igbo word like nkata, basket, nkata, a basket. So take note of the difference. So the next letter we have is NW. There is no English equivalent. So it is pronounced as we. And you have it in Igbo words like onwa. That means temptation. Even the very simple word you hear every day, nwa, a child. Nwam, my child. Nwa, we. You also have it in a word like enwe, monkey. Enwe. You also have it in a word like anyanwu. That means the sun. All right, so the next letter is NY. There is no English equivalent sound, so it is pronounced as ni. You have it in Igbo words like Onyinye, that's someone's name. Onyinye means gifts. You also have Anyase. Anyase, that also means night. You also have a word like Onya. Onya, a trap. Or if you say Onya, Onya is sore, a wound, there's an injury, a sore. Onya is sore. Onya, a trap. Alright, the next letter is N with a dot on top. N with a dot. It is pronounced as is a nasal sound. Sound. You have it in a word like king, king, king. Alright, we have it in Igbo words like angara, angara, garden egg. You also have ongo, ongo, joy. Angore, angore, angore also means happiness or joy. The next one is usual O, O sound, as in the English word tone, tone. So we have it in Igbo words like ogologo, ogologo, tall, it means tall. Opo, opo is warm, warm, W-O-R-M, opo, warm. Alright, and the next one is O with a dot under. O is pronounced O, O, O sound. You have it in the English word oil, oil, O, O, oil. Alright, we have it in Igbo words like Ola. Ola means jewel. You also have it in Okoko, a fowl. So the next one, P, as in the word, English word, pen, your pen I used to write, pen. So we have it in Igbo words like Akope, Akope, pe, means hand fan, hand fan. You also have Mpi, Mpi, a horn, horn. Alright, after P, we have, there's no Q, remember, so we have R. R as in the English word rats. Rat. So we have it in Igbo words like eriri, eriri, a rope that you used to tie something. Agoro, agoro, in hunger. Okay, after R we have S, sound, as in the English word sing, sing. We have it in Igbo words like Osa, a squirrel, Osa, squirrel. Isioku, topic, Isioku, topic. You also have Isi, head. Right. So the next word is sh, sh, sound, as in the English word shim, shim. Alright, we have in Igbo words like Isha, that's crayfish. You also have it in Oshimiri, that's river, it's a dialect way of calling river. Oshimiri, Oshimiri, that's river. Right, the next letter is T. It's pronounced as t sound, as in the English word temple. We have it in Igbo words like otaba, otaba, snuff. You have ntutu, ntutu, that's needle. The next sound is u sound, as in the English word Q, Q. The last word, ew, u. So the Igbo words we have it is ube, pie, ube, pie, ududo, spider, ududo, spider. So the next one is U with a dot under. That's pronounced, there's no English equivalent, so it's pronounced as O, 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 O. So we have it in Igbo words like Otutu, Otutu, morning, Otutu, morning. Have it in a word like Onyahu, Onyahu, yesterday, Onyahu. Alright, and the next word is V sound, V letter, pronounced V, as in the English word vine. So there is no standard Igbo word that has the sound. It is usually heard. It is dialect based and usually seen in loan English words, like the English word video, the video you're watching. In Igbo we can call it video. Just spell it in Igbo. That's where you see the sound. Or in some dialects words, like some dialects call measles avovo, avovo. So that's where you see, but there's no standard Igbo word that has it. But it is in the Igbo alphabet to incorporate other letters, other sounds in different dialects. All right. So the next letter is W. We sound, as in the English word wise. Wise. Now we have it in Igbo words like Uwa, the earth. In English Igbo words like Mwepu, subtraction. Mwepu, subtraction. The next letter is Yi sound. Remember, we don't have X. Yi sound, as in yam, your English word yam. So we have it in Igbo words like Oyoko Igodi, a bunch of key. Oyi, cold. Oyi natum. Oyi, cold. Oyi natum means I'm cold. So oyi is cold. All right. Then the last letter of the alphabet we're looking at today is Z. Letter Z. The sound is Z, as in zoom. So we have it in Igbo words like Aziza, broom, the broom we used to sweep the house. Ngozi, blessing, it means blessing. All right, so that's that about the letters of the Igbo alphabet and their pronunciation. So like I said earlier, please go and look at our previous videos from the alphabet where we listed the letters of the Igbo alphabet. Look at the first one where we talked about the sounds from letter A to L. Also this one. So we've been able to look at how to pronounce the letters of the Igbo alphabet from letter M to Z. So I hope this helps. So do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and share the video to anyone that it is going to help. So thank you for watching. Ndewo, Imela. See you in our next video.